What's going on, everybody? This is Bill, aka Pirate Steel Penguins on eBay. Today I'm going to be breaking two mini boxes of 2014 Topps Museum Collection. Each mini box has one autograph or relic card per box, 5 cards per pack. Anything Pittsburgh Pirates I'm going to be keeping for my PC. Everything else I'm going to have to put on my eBay auctions. Everything will start at a penny, and we'll go from there. So let's see what we get. I'm not used to opening higher end stuff, but trying to move up the ladder, and I'm pretty excited to do this. Pack number 1. We'll just get them both opened here. And pack number 2. This one feels fatter than this one, so maybe we'll save that for last. Alright, let's see what I get. Okay. We have a David Freese base. Avisail Garcia, Chicago White Sox base. Yonder Alonso base, 3 base. They don't look numbered. And we got a, let's see, looks like the Canvas collection. And I'm not sure who that is looking, but we're going to look at the hit first, and then we'll see who that is, who that Met is. Everyone else is probably saying who it is, but I'm not familiar with them. Let's see. Game used memorabilia. Looks like a jumbo St. Louis Cardinal. Yadier would be nice. Molina. Matt Holliday. Matt Holliday. Numbered 28 of 35. There we go. 28 of 35. So that's cool. I like that. Oh, Matt Harvey. Okay. Matt Harvey Canvas collection. So, cool. Pretty cool pack. Alright, pack number 2. Okay, yeah, that one looks, that's a fat card there. So we'll bring this up to the front. Boston Red Sox, Xander Bogaerts, if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sure Eric in the Trading Card Exchange will be maybe interested in this one. He's a Red Sox guy. That is numbered 39 out of 199. Green parallel. Rookie card. Jurickson Profar, Texas Rangers. Base. Bryce Harper. Base. And Rod Carew from the Angels. Alright, let's see. This is another, we'll go from this side here. Swatches, looks like it could be a quad. Ooh, dual jersey auto of Felix Doubront. Again, not sure if that's pronounced right, but Felix Doubront, we numbered 73 out of 299. Dual jersey autograph. So pretty good double pack for the Red Sox fans out there. Like I said, all these, I didn't get any Pirates, so all these will go on my eBay auctions. And like I said, everything's starting at a penny. And I just wanted to let everyone know, if you're on Facebook, be sure to get over, search the Trading Card Exchange. We have a cool card group over there. A lot of good guys doing deals over there. People posting stuff, buying stuff. Just a good group of people. And so if you're on Facebook and you are not on the Trading Card Exchange group yet, please join. We'd love to have you and see what you have to offer. Alright, looking again, there's the canvas Matt Harvey. The swatch, or the, of Matt Holliday, 28 out of 35. And Felix Doubront, dual jersey autograph, numbered 73 out of 299. So that's it. I'm pretty impressed with those. It's a pretty cool looking product. And thanks everyone for watching. And like I said, we'll hopefully see you over at the Trading Card Exchange group. Have a good one.